Chilo. This little bottle of gold. It's making us all look bad.
Make it look full. Look at that nice little nugget right there.
There's a glare on it, can't hardly see it. Fixing to go back. Here's my bottle. You see that gold in there? It's mine. It ain't nothing. Everybody's making fun of me. Let me see your bottle of gold. Look at that. Where's the glare coming from? Look at all that gold. Micah's got a little bottle, so it makes it look like it's a lot.
Hey, there's a couple big nuggets in there.